Welcome back to Adventures with the Average Joe. Today, I'll be working on the door. I'll be lubing up all the louvers and winders. So stick around, see what I'm getting into. Let's get to work. That's for the big window, that's for the little window. Big window, little window. This is the tool you need to take them off.
It's where we get them tabs and you push it through, it pops it off.
If you look, see how there's that pin that goes around here? You can see down there how it holds it on around that little lip. That's why you need this tool to take it off. When removing the door, be aware, this here grabs a hold of the panel and you gotta wiggle it off of it. Do not let it drop. I almost let it drop. My dad stopped me before I just ruined something. Learn this lesson.
You gotta take them screws out.
To get that off to finish getting the paper off. Now as you see, there's two screws coming down that we could take that out, but that's the original glue in there holding that in. So that's why we slid it out from the cover. Next thing I want to do is oil up the door opener, the small window opener, and the big window opener. And then I'll work my way over to the window itself and the door latch lever and the lock unlock. I'm just trying to get everything lubed up so it works extra good. I don't care if there's a little excess that drips off, as long as everything works. Now I need to find these winders on here. All right, I got it on. I'll get it to crank a little. Now you see down here, I'm gonna come over here real quick. Get a little oil down in here to just make it nice and slick. There's another pivot point right here. Get it nice and lubed. There's the other. Get it nice and lubed. There's the door locking mechanism from the back. Let's get all that nice and juicy. Oh, man, is that rusty? We're gonna have to get that replaced soon. All right, let's get this window going. We'll look up in here, and you can see there's gears. Go up and down a couple times, get it worked in. And now after a couple times, look how quick it goes down and goes up. No more stiffness. Now let's work on the little window. Got a little bit of oil back in here. There's another spot right here that got a gear. Let's wind it back. Oh, that got real nice. That got real nice. Super easy. I already oiled up the door lock, but let's get it moving. No, it's no good. I already oiled it up, but let's get it moving. Yeah. The more I'm doing this, the easier it's getting. Look at that. Much better. Put it up. I'm gonna get it moving. You see how I got this one moving nice? And in here, I got it going nice. Now let's try, see how the latches are doing. Oh! You barely even gotta push the button. Look at that. Shut it. Oh, that's beautiful. Much better. I just gotta put it back together. Now I got the paper back on. I'm gonna put that little door handle back on. Then we'll put the cover on and put the handles back on here. Now we got that handle back on. I can put the door cover back. Don't forget to hook up this wire before putting back on. Doing this, putting this cover on, you're gonna make sure you're clear around here. You might have to use a flathead to get it completely tucked back down in, but not too big of a deal. Got that back on, now I'm just gonna put these side rails back. Got this side done. There's a screw there, screw there. This goes down behind there, so this screw holds this piece and that piece, bottom of that end. Time to go to the other side. This is what I'm putting on now. That piece. This piece right there. Now that's back together. I can put them back on. Uh-oh. I think I put it on the wrong one. Ah, thank God I didn't push it in the whole way. Put that one there. Get this one here. Then, see how I popped it on? They're on. It's working really nice now. Same with that. So, we should be good to go. Need to match them up. Put that in. Once you get that screw in, then you can try it out. Working excellent. So that's how you rip your door apart and lube everything up to make it work better. Windows go up and down, open and close, door opens and closes, the lock works better. Amazing. One more thing down and off the list. We'll have to move on to the next. Thank you for tuning in to Adventures with the Average Joe. I hope you enjoyed helping me with this door. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll see you next time.